Robert Eston. You're watching livingpianos.com, a Steinway Model M at 5'7", one of the most popular of all Steinway models. Fits almost anywhere and provides a rich, rewarding sound with a beautiful scale design. Better than that, this piano from 1955 is a wonderful era of Steinway, all original with these beautiful ivory keys, beautiful satin mahogany case. And wait till you hear the sound of this piano. The bass is so richly rewarding. For a piano of its size, it's surprising for a Steinway Model M. We're going to have three selections for you, starting with the Opus 14 No. 2 Beethoven Sonata in G major, and I'm just going to play the exposition of the first movement for you. Everything regulated so nicely. It's a pleasure to play this piano. Well, let's explore other sides of the tone of this instrument with a little bit of Chopin, the lyrical A-flat waltz. I'll play the whole thing, but without the repeat, so you get a little flavor of all the sections. Such a warm, rich sound and lovely sustain. You know, even brand new Model M Steinways, one to the next, not all of them have that kind of singing quality. Let's have a little bit more Chopin. I'm just going to end with the middle section of the scherzo in B flat minor, the second scherzo. Wow, you ever heard a bass like that out of a Steinway M? What a special piano. A pleasure to play. I'm here for all your piano questions. I'm Robert Astor, and this is livingpianos.com, your online piano store, free delivery anywhere in the continental US. See you next time.